Will the US stock market continue its one-way rise over the next decade? My answer: absolutely not. I am 99.999% sure. The post-2009 surge is a monetary bubble driven by asset financialization. Beneath the tech dominance, we find a hollowed-out industry and a fragile liquidity lever. With commodities or currency, the core issue is social wealth indexed by currency or commodities. Since 2009, the US real economy has atrophied. Behind soaring indices are dying high streets and industrial deindustrialization. In contrast, China has perfected its infrastructure and industrial chain. If the world reset today, the chasm between server-stored market cap and actual steel, grain, and energy would be exposed. The liquidity trap: $3 trillion reserves versus $5 trillion Nvidia. The US market operates under extreme leverage. Consider this: US banking reserves 跳动大雁3 trillion. Nvidia's market cap $5 trillion, 60% held by institutions. The mathematical conclusion: if Nvidia's institutional holders collectively exited, they could theoretically drain the entire US banking system's reserves. The system is like a bank that keeps $1,000 in reserves for every $10,000 deposited, promising beneficial returns. It works as long as no one exits. But in a stampede, the lifeboat is only wide enough for one. This is why Buffett is hoarding record cash. Why did 2009 start a bull market and accelerate hollowing? Real industry is hard managing inventory and competing with 3% margins. Printing money is easy. For a US owner, selling factories to buy back stock is rational. This creates an illusion that America can survive on finance and tech alone. But the cost is losing the plow, production, and the farmer, labor. Tech myth: innovation or digital rent. Aside from Nvidia and Tesla, what justifies the rise of the others? Apple, iPhone, Google, Amazon, Meta, Microsoft. Most giants rely on digital monopoly rents, ads, subscriptions. In a collapse, a diligent island with a complete industrial chain will outlast a lazy island holding only digital ledgers. Conclusion: the reality of a falling empire. As Buffett predicted, the lazy island now has only death. They dare not print too much for fear of destroying the dollar's credit, unless they manufacture a crisis to justify a bailout. Meanwhile, those who see through the illusion are decoupling. The financial empire built on paper is exhausting its final credit. The building is tilting. Can you feel it?